guys, how is everyone doing? So today I'm going to make this quick video. It's not going to take long. This one is going to be just 10-minute video. Okay, I have something to tell all of you that are traveling very soon to China. And you want to live life on a budget. You don't want to spend so much, you know. Over here, don't try to. If you have the money, yes, it's okay, spend your money. But let me tell you something, there are so many things. Like black people, we don't even like to resell our stuffs. We just give it to people. But there are some other people that likes to sell their stuff. When we are moving, we just leave it for the next person to use. Sometimes we don't even take money. So this is what I'm telling you. If you are someone like me that like to use quality stuff that will last you very long a time, this is what to do. You can use quality stuff, quality product on a budget. So today, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm helping everybody coming to China how to live on budget, how to get apartment. You can see some of my video I've explained that, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. So today I'm here to tell you some of the video I have the things you need to do to live on a budget and use the most quality stuff in China. This is what I'm doing today. So guys, let me not waste so much time. What you need to do when you come to China, or when you're planning to come to China, find people, go on Facebook, go on social media platform, ask questions about people that are already living in China. Okay, so when you ask those questions, okay, let me pause this. There is some noise going on with my ventilator, so let me put it off and I'll be back very soon. Okay, so I don't want to take too much of your time, so let's make this quickly. Okay, so what you need to do is to find groups, find people, find the city you are going, find that group on Facebook and start asking them. They should add you to groups in China. Already you need to download a WeChat, so you can start having WeChat already before you come. But some countries, I don't know if all countries can get the WeChat app from their countries, but if you cannot get it, try to get people. Okay, I know some countries it's easier to get WeChat. So if you have the WeChat, try talking to people on Facebook or Instagram to add you to groups. Okay, there are so many groups, buy and sell groups, where people buy. Some people just come, spend some 3 months, buy quality stuff. They are leaving, they don't know what to do with them, they sell it cheaper. So this is what you're going to do. When you join the groups, you can write, oh, I'm moving in and I need some couch. Sometimes don't say it, because when you say it, someone might sell it higher because you are desperate in need of the thing. So what you need to do is just be in a group wherever people put in and they want to sell, you want to buy, just ask them for the price. Let them, if you don't have a location and you know someone who is close to where you are coming, you can let the person keep that thing for you. But if you are coming maybe 3 days, 4 days, and you know you are going to get this, just talk to the person. Sometimes people show the link of how much they bought it from other selling platform. They tell you already how much they bought it and how much they are reselling it. So guys, make sure this product package or thing you are buying is the quality one. Okay, so let me show you. I bought this. I'm going to sit down and show you this particular one. Okay, so this light, okay, you can be here. I bought this rice cooker. I bought this rice cooker. This, you know, this package, and look at the brand. So this is the brand that I bought it from. So it's not that expensive, guys. It's not expensive at all. So what you need to do is that make sure what the person is sending to you is the quality one. So I bought this on. So this one, when you check on the some of the platform, this is brand new. Some people prefer brand new. They buy it brand new. They are moving. Some people just come here. Oh, they don't really like the place. They are going back. So look at this. This is a brand new one. It comes with everything. So this is how it looks with a spoon. I got this rice spoon or to scoop it, and this is the let me show you. Let me use my teeth to tear it up. So this is the cable, the rice cooker cable. Everything is new, it smells new, and this is how, if you want to add water, this is a little bowl, this is a scooper for you to scoop the rice with, and this is sieve, I don't know how you call it, filter or sieve, and this is how the inside looks like. The quality is a top notch. Okay, look at the brand. So when you're coming to China, make sure you get these groups. When you're coming to China, make sure you have these groups, okay, and buy them from there, so you don't waste a lot of money. Groups, guys. So what you need to, a lot of groups. So all you need to do, if you want to add me, for me to add you to all those buying and selling groups, sometimes I may not be in the city that you are going. So what you need to do is, when I add you to this my city group, you start chatting people, asking them, are they in this city, so and so city? If they are in that city, they should add you to groups in that city. Okay, so after they add you, keep asking in that group, is there any buy and sell group in the city or in the city? Brofo. So after getting all those groups, whatever you are looking for, ask for it, guys. This one, I'll show you the original price when I'm editing this video. Maybe I'm going to take some things out. You know, when you're making video, you are in a hurry, so some things you might not say them well. So I'm going to show you the original price. This one is original price. I saw 800 and something, which is about 120 USD. Okay, 120 USD, but I bought it about 39 or 40 USD. Okay, from the reseller. So make sure, I bought a lot of things. I bought oven. I don't want to show everything over here because some of them are in my previous city. I'm now going to move my things to my new city, so I can resell them in that city. But me, I'm not really about reselling. It stresses me out sometimes, so I just let the next person close to me use it. That's how when you're ready to move to China, make sure you get all this help. Okay, be in groups, talk to people. Don't come and if you don't like reselling like me, you like giving it out, you might waste your money. So better find a group and buy it on a cheaper price, and look at this, I can reuse it for so many years. I had one already, I've given out. I bought it 2018 and I'm still using it, but I give it out to the next person to use, and I have to get a new one. And I love this color so much, guys. Look at the quality. So when you're coming here, make sure you can send me you can let me know so I can add you to all the groups. I have a lot of groups that I'm in, so I can add you to those groups, so you can also get your cheaper things and buy a quality things on a cheaper price to buy. Okay, so thank you so much. This video, I told you guys, is not going to be so long, it's going to be super short. So yeah, that is it. Enjoy your life, have fun in China, and live on a budget.